And I'm about to finish, but I did stuff some more, I have to admit. So final rows. I don't have to even do any decreases, I'll just crochet where it's convenient. And here we are, and now I'm going to give my stem shape. So giving shape, just make the final stitch, and I'll try to go in as the needle is not that large or tall, so I have to do something like this. No, it won't work. So, and now the fun part. So I'm going to bend as much as I want. Look, so that's why I love this, because every stem is going to be different, as every pumpkin is going to be different. Oh my god, it's so lovely. It's even better than I thought. So then I have to I'll come back. Let's do so. I'll come back. So, and I'll fix it with a French knot. So look, wow, I'm amazed. So, and I'm going to hide the yarn, and then let's give our pumpkin a shape.